Let us understand the working of diode in a half-wave rectifier circuit. At the left side, we have AC power source of 200 volt peak to peak 50 Hz. We have a step-down transformer with a ratio of 10:1 which will reduce secondary voltage 10 times. At the secondary side, we have a diode, a LED and a resistor which will limit the current in the circuit. Now let us see the voltage at primary side of transformer. This is a voltage at the primary side of transformer, and here we can see it is a sinusoidal voltage with a peak of 200 volt plus to 200 volt minus. So now let us see the voltage at the secondary side of this step down transformer, means this here, and see this voltage is reduced 10 times. Let us remove this voltage so that it becomes more clearer. Now it is more visible here. This output is a sinusoidal waveform, and its peak voltage is plus 10 volt to minus 10 volt. Now let us see here the voltage at the output of diode. We can see here during the positive half cycle of AC voltage, the arrow becomes, this diode arrow becomes positive with respect to the bar, and the diode gets forward biased and so conducts the current. However, during negative half cycle, the diode gets reverse biased and does not conduct current. It can be observed that our LED gets on during the positive half cycle only. The resistance limits the flow of current in the LED. If we increase the resistor value, let us do that. If we increase this resistance value from 1K to suppose 3.37K, we can see here the LED glows dimmer. The less current flows through this LED and it glows lesser. And if we decrease the resistance value, we can observe here that the LED glows much brighter. But if we go on decreasing the current too much, then the LED will blow up. If it is too reduced, then LED will get blown up. So we have to keep the resistance optimum so that the LED glows at its best. Let us remove voltage at this here, and this one voltage also. Now this is the current waveform which we can see here. It varies from 0 to 20. It is maximum is 25 milliampere, so it varies from 0 to 25 milliampere. So we have to adjust the resistance so that it should not exceed 20 milliamperes. So let us adjust this value. So we have to increase the resistance to decrease the current, and you can see here when we are increasing the value of resistance, the current goes on decreasing. So it is now below 20 milliampere, and this is safe for our LED. It is interesting to observe that the diode acts like a switch. When the diode is forward biased, it behaves like closed switch, and when it is reverse biased, it acts like a off switch. However, when converting AC to DC, this circuit delivers power only half a time. Maximum efficiency of half-wave rectifier circuit is 40%. That is, only 40% of AC power is converted into DC power. So generally full wave bridge rectifier is used to convert AC to DC supply.